Hello, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you an updated version of how to do mini yarn braid at home. In this video, I want you to take a closer look at the procedure. I'll be using 2 strands of yarn for each mini braid. So, this is my 2 strands of yarn. I will then roll the yarn over the portion of hair gently to give it a firm grip before braiding begins. This was a requested video, so I have intentionally slowed this portion so that you have a clear view of what I'm doing. If you haven't watched the full tutorial on how to do the mini braid, I'm going to leave the link in the description below so that you can check on the full tutorial of how to do mini yarn braid at home. And if this is your first time passing by, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. And do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that you always be notified whenever I upload a new video. If you love this video so far, do not forget to give me a thumbs up and share this video to your friends. So I'm going to continue by braiding the hair. So this is how to go about when braiding mini yarn at home. So at some point you have to separate one part of the yarn to give you 3 strands to continue the braiding. So guys, I'm just going to demonstrate this part because I wasn't really doing this mini yarn braid again. I just did this part to correct some mistakes and it was a requested thing, so I decided to do one braid and then make a video of it. So if you want the full video, I will leave the link below as I said earlier so that you can do well to check the mini braid. So this was how the mini braid turned out to be in my previous video. I hope you loved this video. If you did, then give me a thumbs up.